Hello friends, again I come with one more video on numericals on HVAC and refrigeration system. It is in paper number 3. I am covering the simple numericals which are asked as a MCQs in the paper number 3. So first we have to remember some points before solving the numericals about the conversion of the units. So you note down those conversion of units in your notebook, and we need to refer it again and again while solving the numericals. So 1 ton of refrigeration is equal to 3024 kilocalories. 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.18 kilojoule. 1 kilojoule per second is equal to 1 kilowatt, and 1 kilowatt is equal to 860 kilocalories. Specific gravity of water is 1, and refrigeration load is calculated by the formula mc delta T, where m is the mass, c is the specific gravity, and delta T is change in the temperature. Now let's start with the simple numericals. So in numerical number 1, it is asked to find out the refrigeration load in TR, where mass is given as 15 meter cube per hour, and delta T is given as 21 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius. So refrigeration load is calculated by the formula mc delta T. I am directly substituting those values in the formula. I got 90,000 kilocalories as a refrigeration load. Now it is asked to find out that refrigeration load in TR. So I know the unit conversion as 1 TR is equal to 3024 kilocalories. So I just divide those kilocalories by 3024 and I got a ton of refrigeration. So another numerical based on it is again based on the same formula. Here 30,240 kilocalories heat load is given to you for 1 hour, and it is asked to find out the refrigeration tonnage. So again 1 TR is equal to 3024 kilocalories. Refrigeration load is given to you in kilocalories. You just have to convert it into the TR. Just by simply dividing it by 3024 you can get the required tonnage of the refrigeration load. Now the third question is an interesting one. The two-stage air compressor drawing 75 kilowatt has heat rejection of 862 kilocalories per kilowatt hour. The required capacity of the cooling tower when the operating temperature difference of 5 degrees Celsius will be dash dash TR. So here uh, heat rejection is given as 862 kilocalorie upon kilowatt hour. The compressor power is given as 75 kilowatt. So the operation is for 1 hour. So for 1 hour you have to find out the kilowatt hour. So for 1 hour compressor needs 75 kilowatt hour. So to find out the refrigeration load, here what is given, kilocalorie per kilowatt hour is given. So we are interested in finding out the refrigeration load in kilocalories. So if we multiply it by 75 kilowatt hour, we will get the unit as kilocalories. So here I am just multiplying that 862 into 75. I got the answer in kilocalories. So now my point is, now we have to convert in that kilocalories into the tonnage. So we have to just divide it by 3024 to get the required tonnage. Now last, again the numerical is very simple. 30,000 kilocalorie of heat is given to you, and it is asked that it is removed for every 1 hour, then the refrigeration tonnage will be nearly equal to, again the refrigeration load is given to you in kilocalories. You have just used 1 kilocalories equal to 1 ton is equal to 3024 kilocalories. So you just have to divide that kilocalories by 3024 to get the required tonnage. So those are some simple numericals I included in this video. If you like the video, you can subscribe my channel, and for more doubts you can write me at energyauditor2021 at gmail.com. Thank you very much.